go down. This is our super plow that we're gonna load up with 12 rockets. It's gonna propel this sled 750 feet down the track going 500 miles an hour.
But we actually need the sled to travel 770 feet because for the last 20 feet, it's going to come off the track and fly through the air.
It hit our target, this car. If all goes according to plan, only the wedge part of the super plow should cut right through the car and the rocket sled should slide right underneath.
So the sled we're going to use for our experiment, how many rockets are going to be on that?
We're going to use 12 of these 5-inch HVARs. Each one has about 6,500 pounds of thrust. So total, we should get about 75,000 pounds of thrust on that one sled.
So, do you have any extras of these just laying around?
Yeah, don't touch that.
And while the New Mexico Tech Techs lock and load their rockets, the Mythbusters are predicting the end of the road for the car.
So far, we have not been able to split a car all the way in half with the snowplow. We used a front engine vehicle, that didn't work. We used a rear engine vehicle, that didn't work. But now we have a rocket-powered super plow. This thing is going to be going 500 miles an hour. I don't think it really matters where the engine is on this vehicle. Is it going to split it right in half? I don't think so. I have a feeling once it hits that engine, wherever the engine is, it's just going to shred that car into a bunch of little pieces.
Now I know what this rocket sled can do, and I've seen what a snowplow with a really sharp pointy tip can do to a car at 70 miles an hour. Now when this rocket sled's going 500 miles an hour into this car, I think it doesn't have a chance. It's not only going to split into two, but it's going to explode into 1 million pieces just in two directions. All the rockets are loaded. That thing has to weigh like 2 tons by now.
And remember, there's 12 rockets on there for a total of 75,000 pounds of thrust.
And this thing is going to be going 500 miles an hour. If this doesn't split the car, I don't know what will.
Well, the safest place to be is in the bunker, so let's get inside.
I thought one of us was going to ride it.
Let's see how it goes this time, and maybe next time, Buckaroo. Come on.
Where's your sense of adventure?
Denied a Dr. Strangelove rocket ride,
Lockdown. We're ready to launch.
Tori hunkers in the bunker with the rest of the team. And a strange, eerie silence settles on the scene. The proverbial calm before the storm.
This is rocket-powered super plow versus front engine vehicle going at 500 miles an hour in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.